Hey guys, it's Chili Vids, and today I'm going to be playing Scratch. So you can't really see what's happening right now, but Scratch is a game where you create games, kind of, and yeah, you create games with, and it's for kids and stuff to create word blocks. So right now I'm just doing the backing track. You can't see everything in this frame right now because it's not very big. But for now, I'm going to do how I want the backing track. So this is how it sounds so far. It sounds terrible. Yeah, no, I've got asked what's your name. Yeah, so I'm just gonna stop it now because it's annoying me to death, and I'm gonna get on with the piano. So here are the sounds, and that's how it sounds. But what I'm going to do, no. Oh, I wanted to work. Okay. And then so I've already put all these blocks out because there's a lot of things I can switch between. You're not meant to sound like that. Uh-oh, ruined it. Six, seven, eight. So I just love to do that. I'm a dancer and I'm used to counting. Okay, I'll be right back after I've done a few more instruments. Okay, so this is how it is so far. I'm with my little kitty here, but for some reason my heart, or crystal, is not showing up. Okay, let's hear from the start. You might not be able to see some of it. Wish I could move the camera, but I really... Oh, wait, yes I can. Okay, you know, yeah, it's like, you guys can't hear the music. So I've put in my name. Well, Tilly, I have a mission for you. Now let's go. Sounded very sarcastic then. Another day at school. Yep, I look fine. Time for breakfast. Morning, Shirley. Morning, Shirley. Morning, Mom. Morning, Dad.
Hey, I'm Kitty. I'm a horse, but my name's Kitty. I need you to find my crystals for me.
Sure, got nothing better to do.
It's tutorial time!
That's me. Going forward, press A. When going backwards, press A. To jump, press the space bar. To duck, press the bottom arrow. There's a glitch I can do on my own game. Look, there's Kitty's first crystal. Push the crystal to gain a point. Okay then. Yeah, I haven't quite worked this bit out. It won't work for some reason. Like, if my character does touch it, the crystals don't go up, and it doesn't disappear. Like, if I move this, I've got this over here, but it won't work. Well, anyway, it's about time I wrap this up, so thanks for watching. Bye!